Hi guys, I'm just going to do a quick recap on what happened with my Robinhood portfolio and just go down my positions that I have in this portfolio. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who's interested in making money in the stock market and collaborating with the 50 members that we have in the Discord, talk about stocks, cryptocurrencies, options, and just learn from each other and become a better trader and investor. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. I do trade options, penny stocks, growth stocks, just about anything and everything that can help us make money. So if you guys are interested in that, check out my link down below. And I'm also trying to do this challenge where I'm taking my accounts to $100,000 by the end of this year. We do have 8 more months left, so there's still plenty of time for this portfolio to get to 100,000. So we'll just go down the list here. I sold a cash secure put earlier. So when I say cash secure put, usually the first thing people think of is that I'm shorting the stock, but I'm not. This is almost similar to setting a buy limit. When you set a buy limit, you usually set it below where the stock is trading at. So that's exactly what I did earlier today. We look at the chart. So SOS actually went up all the way to 619 today. There was good news, but as always with SOS, for some reason, the good news only lasts maybe an hour or so. And then we see this here. It's just started to consolidate around 550, 560. So when I sold the cash secure put, it was trading above 6. So what this is saying is I'm going to put up the collateral. And if the stock price closes at 6 or below on expiration dates, which is this Thursday. So guys, there's no trading on Friday because of Good Friday. So maybe we can reassess our portfolio, take a break from all the trading, all the volatility. That's what I'm planning to do. So if the stock is below that, I'm going to use my collateral, which is $600. And I got $600 because I'm multiplying 100 times my strike price. And the reason it's 100 because there's 100 shares in one contract. So I received $35 because I am obligated to buy 100 shares if the stock closes at 6 or below. If it closes above, my collateral is released back to me. And no matter what happened to this option, I get to keep this credit of $35. So we see the average credit is 0.35 and the current price is at 0.63. So technically I could have got $63 if I had waited a little bit longer. So my break-even price is $5.65. But the share price is $5.60. But I'm not too worried because I was able to receive this credit of $35, reducing my cost basis versus if I were to buy 100 shares when it was above $6, I would be down more than what I would be down now. So if you guys are planning to buy SOS at least 100 shares, you can also do the same thing and sell a cash secure put for next week. The premiums are very decent. If you go take a look at April 9th, make sure your sell and put are highlighted here. And you can go to the 550 cash secure put and you can receive actually a pretty decent amount of $55. Actually, I'm going to put this order in because this doesn't sound too bad. I'm going to do it for 60. And I'm going to put good to cancel, review. See, we're using collateral, 550 as collateral now because our strike price is at 550. So I'm going to swipe up to submit, receive, and it's queued. Okay, hopefully that gets filled. Okay, so next we have Sundial. This is a cash secure put. Same thing. I wanted to get the stock at a discount. But Sundial hasn't been performing well, but that's fine. I don't mind accumulating shares. Better than buying it where the stock is currently trading at, which at the time it was above 150. At least this, I got $40 credit, making my break even to 110. The share price is above 110. I will still be profitable. And then we go down the list. I have a cover call on AMC. So I've been saying this, if you guys have at least 100 shares of any type of stocks that offers options, you should be selling cover calls against your shares. So instead of using money as collateral, you are using shares, 100 shares as collateral. And because you're obligated to sell your 100 shares, if the stock price is at 16 or above on expiration dates, they are giving you a premium. The premium is $10. No, I know it's not that much, but this $10 can actually buy me a gallon of gas, or it can reduce my cost basis. And then next we have BNGO. This is at 8 strike price. Same thing. When I sold this, it was around close to $8, but I received a 98 credit. So that's a pretty high premium. JAGX, same thing. The strike price is at $250. I received $76. So I'm not too worried about JAGX because I know that JAGX will go up. We have Nano Dimension is a cover call. Same thing. I'm putting up 100 shares as collateral. SENS, more SENS, and a FUBO call. SENS, AMC, those are leap calls. Now we're getting to leap calls. Leap calls are, call options are longer than 1 year. So there's plenty of time for the stock price to go up. And Nokia and BlackBerry were the ones that got caught on the upside when it was going up. The premium were so expensive, but I still bought it. And I would need the stock to go above 669 in order to even break even. But thankfully, it expires in 2023. So I still have less than 2 years left for the stock where it needs to go. That's why I prefer leap calls, cash secure puts versus buying short-term call options, because we just can't predict where the stock price will go. Next, we have all the stocks that I currently have. AMC, 200 shares. It's up 1% today, 10.35, but it's struggling to break above that $11 mark and then the $14 resistance. So I do think that if we pass the $11 and then the $14, we can definitely go to $20 again. And then we have Nikola, Vaxart, BlackBerry. I'm down like $3,000. My average cost is $13.02. So if you guys have BlackBerry, you can also sell cover calls against these shares that you guys have. So since I have 800 shares, I can sell 8 contracts. So what I'm going to do is go to trade options. I can go to April 16th because the further out an expiration date, the more premium I can get. And since my break even is around 13, I'm going to sell it at $13.50. If I sell 8 contracts, $21, I can get $168 roughly every 2 weeks just from selling cover calls against my shares on BlackBerry. Then next we have SENS, same thing. Nokia. Yeah, Nokia has been struggling. So let's see how much I can get in premium on this. My cost basis is $4.98. It's pretty high. If I do a 5 strike price, I won't get that much. I can sell 3 contracts. I can get $30, which isn't much, but it's better than nothing. And then we have Sundial. It's trading at 113. I have 1,600 shares. I have the cash secure puts. Then Lukewan, 1,000 shares, Assertio, and then Funware that I bought last week. And my average cost is $181. So that's everything that I have. If we take a look at my 1 year, like I said, it's up 56%, all-time high 56%. So definitely trying to build this account out to $100,000. If you guys want to join me on this journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. I do have 2,000 in buying power. So if you guys have any stocks that you guys want to recommend to me, let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching. And do consider joining the Discord page. We already have 50 members and we would love for you to come join us, collaborate, learn from each other, and find the next hottest stock.